DirectAccess in Windows 7 helps ensure that computers are always connected, better protected, and easier to manage. This screencast shows how. When working in the office, users have easy access to network resources like SharePoint sites, servers, and applications they need to work and collaborate. And IT can easily keep their PCs up to date and running smoothly. As more users go mobile, working from home, cafes, or customer sites, accessing corporate network resources with remote access solutions like VPN requires extra effort, also making it harder for IT to manage mobile PCs. With DirectAccess, users can easily navigate to intranet sites or internal file shares and access documents from a remote location without establishing a VPN connection, just as if they were connected within the office. This helps them stay more productive when accessing remote information. Management of remote PCs is streamlined with DirectAccess because administrators no longer need to wait until a user returns to the office or VPNs into the network to update a PC. Now, they can keep a remote PC up to date with required policies or updates anytime the PC connects to the Internet. The DirectAccess solution requires Windows 7 clients and Windows Server 2008 R2 DirectAccess Server and is built on a foundation of proven standards like IPsec and IPv6. The user in this demo has just arrived home and needs to connect to the company network. When the user turns on his computer, he automatically gets connected to the home network. When the user first connects to the home network, his Internet connection shows local and Internet access. At this point, the user can access Internet sites but not corporate information. The link to the corporate network is not yet established. Shortly, the status of the connection is displayed as Internet and Corporate Access, both in the Network and Sharing Center and the View Available Networks user interface. This means that the user is now connected to his internal network and can access corporate resources. Notice that the user has not taken any extra steps to establish this connection. Now, the user can open his email and access intranet links within that email or launch any internal sites or applications. DirectAccess is not limited to intranet sites. The user can also access team shares without dialing a VPN connection. DirectAccess provides three benefits. First, seamless connectivity by giving users access to internal network resources, whether they are in the office, traveling, or at home. Second, remote management capabilities by enabling IT administrators to connect directly to clients to monitor them, manage them, and deploy updates, even when the user is not logged on. Third, improved security by taking advantage of IPsec for authentication and encryption. IT administrators can configure the DirectAccess server to restrict the servers that users and individual applications can access and optionally require smart cards for user authentication. DirectAccess integrates with the Network Access Protection, or NAP, to perform compliance checking on client computers before allowing them to connect to the internal resources. As you've seen, with DirectAccess in Windows 7, client computers are always connected, better protected, and easier to manage.